Hello students, in the previous class we came to know about the festivals observed in Arunachal Pradesh, and in another class we also came to know about the festivals of Assam. So till now we came to know about the festivals celebrated in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So today we will know about the festivals of Manipur. So look at your book and we will read the festivals of Manipur. A charming festival of Manipur, Ningul Chakoba, binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents. The women and their children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. During Cheroba, the Manipur New Year festival in April, people clean and decorate the houses and prepare special festive dishes. As part of the ritual, the villagers climb the nearest hilltops for they believe that this will help them rise to a higher plane in this life. So, children, now in this paragraph we will come across some new words like revives, renew, sumptuous, grand, luxurious, ritual, custom, tradition, चलणी आमर समस्त गोटे गोटे अलग अलग चलणी थाए रिचुअल्स दैट इज रिचुअल्स प्लेन ए लेवल प्लेस सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ the festivals of Manipur has been nicely depicted, has been nicely described. So the charming festival, the most attractive festival of Manipur is Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba, the most important charming festival. So the most charming festival of Manipur is Ningol Chakoba. Binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents. Why do the people of Manipur celebrate this festival? To bind, to keep a connection between the married girls and their parents. You know, in our state and in other states also, once the girls get married, she goes to her in-laws' house and she lives there permanently. Sometimes she comes to her parents' house, father's house, but no such love and affection continues further. आमर कथार अच्छी गाँव रे लोक मैंने कहती देले नारी हेले पारी अर्थात थरे झील बाहा गले से शाशु घर को गला से ता कथा सी बुझीब आउ बाप घरे तार एतेटा इनक्लिनेशन न थाए तापर आउ जो माने थांती तांको कथा बुझा जाए किंतु आमर मणिपुर रे कौन होची से माने एई स्पेशली निंगोल चकोबा फेस्टिवल टा सेलिब्रेट करंती तांकर जो झियो माने बाहा जाय तांती से माने को इनवाइट करंती से माने तांकर फैमिली मेंबर सहित तांकर बाप घर को आसंती आमर मध्ये ओडिसा रे अछि समस्त जानिथिबो पश्चिम ओडिसा रे आमर गोटे भाई जुंतिया पर्व अछि जानिछ ना नाही सेथिरे प्रत्येक झियो तांकर बाप घर को आसीबे आउ तांकर बाप घरे जो भाउज माने थिबे से माने मते तांकर घर को पळेबे तेणु झियो आसी घरे पछे रोसई करी खाइबो कि ता मां रोसई करी दबो किंतु निश्चित भाव रे जे जोठी थिले भी बाप घर को निश्चय आसीबे सेमती एटा मणिपुर गोटे फेस्टिवल निंगोल चकोबा. सो दैट इज फॉर बाइंडिंग ए रिलेशन बिटवीन द मैरिड गर्ल्स एंड देयर पेरेंट्स. एंड दिस फेस्टिवल is accompanied with a sumptuous meal or feast. Very grand feast takes place. Different types of sweet dishes, tasty dishes are prepared in mother's or parents' house. So the married girl and her children, they come to his parents' house. So there is sumptuous feast and gift. Not only feast, but when they go back to their in-laws house, they are also given very nice gifts. आमे भी कौन झिया आसले गिफ्ट दियंती गला बेल को नुआ साड़ी दियंती मिठा दियंती आ केते प्रकार जिनस सब बाप घर झिया नहीं जाए. तेणु सेटा मध्य तांको गाँव तांको जगार से चलनी मध्य से प्रथा मध्य अच्छी. रिचुअल है प्रथा बा चलनी. सो sumptuous feast and gift during Cheroba, another festival, that is Ningol Chokoba. Another festival is Cheroba. Cheroba is another festival. The Manipur New Year festival, that is New Year festival. You remember in Assam also there was a New Year festival, in Arunachal Pradesh also there was a New Year festival, and in Manipur also this one Cheroba is their New Year festival. And it is celebrated in the month of April. आगरू कही आमर महाविश्व संक्रांति सेटा मध्य एप्रिल पड़े मिड एप्रिल. तेणु आसाम रे मध्य मिड एप्रिल से माने न्यू ईयर ऑब्जर्व करते एमाने मध्य न्यू ईयर एप्रिल ऑब्जर्व करुचंती. सो चेरोबा द मणिपुर न्यू ईयर फेस्टिवल इन एप्रिल. पीपल क्लीन एंड डेकोरेट द हाउसेस. सो दे क्लीन देयर हाउसेस, दे कलर देयर हाउसेस, दे बाय सम न्यू थिंग्स एंड दे डेकोरेट देयर हाउसेस and prepare special festive dishes. Festive dishes means those dishes which are especially prepared in that festival, not in other days. As part of the ritual, the villagers climb the nearest hilltop. So that is also a part of their ritual, part of their festival. What? The people, the villagers, they go to a mountain and they climb the hilltop. Why? hilltop को गले आमर आशा कौन थाए आमे मध्य प्रॉस्पर करिबा, ग्रो करिबा लाइक ए माउंटेन. ऊपर लेवल को आमे उठिबा. सो hilltop is the highest level. So they have a belief, they have a faith. If they will worship the goddess, worship the god, they will also give them blessings and they will go to a higher level. So there is a belief. They go to the nearest hilltop and climb there. Why? For they believe that, their belief is that they will help them rise to a higher plane in their life. In their life, they will also get a higher place or a higher level. So that is about the festival of Manipur. Do you remember or do you understand? So all about the Manipur festival. Till now we came to know about the festivals of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur. In the subsequent classes we will know more about other states and their festivals. Thank you all.